This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at these tires here for off-road, lawn tractor type use. Anything that takes an 8-inch wheel that you can fit these under. We're going to use these for lawn tractor purposes, but these are Forerunner branded tires, F-O-R-E. They're 20x8-8. So if you're looking for replacement tires, say for a lawn tractor, this is a great option for you. This is what the tires come with. You have to either install them yourself onto a rim, or what I'm going to do is get them professionally installed. It saves a lot of time and headache whenever I do that. Let the pros handle the tire installations. But the tire looks good overall. I'm going to get you very close to it before we get them mounted on some wheels, and then after that we will throw them on a lawn tractor, and I will show you what that looks like, and we'll do all that here next. Alright guys, so here are the tires on the rims. What I recommend you do is take it to a professional tire shop. The reason why is the way that these are shipped, they had a very difficult time getting them on, but they got them on. I really do appreciate their hard effort. And if it's not the cold dead of winter months like it is now, I'm sure these tires would stretch out a lot easier and a lot better and mount a lot easier. But that's the number one thing I recommend. Go get them professionally mounted on your rims. It's well worth the money. So let's look at the tread before I put them on. So the tread blocks are not that deep, but they'll be fine for your needs. You know, turf tires, a little bit less wear on the turf that you're doing, but still kind of a mix of low wear on the turf, but also traction. So the tires are pretty soft. The blocks are pretty soft, so they should grip pretty well. And they should last you a decent amount of time. Rear tires don't wear out nearly as fast as front tires. And as long as you're not spinning these on hard surfaces and stuff continuously, you're not going to have a problem with them. They're going to be just fine. So, again, they look good. And I'm going to get them mounted onto a machine so that you can see what they look like on the machine. And I'll drive the machine around with the tires just to show you what they look like on the machine. Alright guys, so here are the old tires we're going to replace. They've got a lot of dry rot cracks and stuff. And they're a little smaller as well. So they're 18 by 9.5-8. So we're going to have a little bit taller tire here. And I'll show you what it looks like once we get them on the machine. Alright guys, you can see the tires are on here now, the new ones. A little bit taller, a little bit narrower than the ones that were on it. They, have their advantages to that, and so we should have some nice soft tread for traction as well. Got a little bit of ice mounds and stuff here, still lingering from the snow. I'm going to drive this mower around a little bit through those just to show you how well or how they perform doing that. Alright guys, I'm going to drive this around a little bit. I'll show you how these tires perform in wet and slick circumstances. can see pretty good overall. Tread blocks could be a little bit bigger on them, but you're not going to be driving most likely through mounds of ice and snow with them, so you should be just fine. You can see where it kind of was grabbing there a little bit, and you saw I rocked it back and forth, and we were able to get some good traction and stuff through this ice and snow. So it should be some good tires for you. Again, good all-around tire, good turf tire, but also if you get caught in any sort of area or situation where you may need a little bit more grip, this should work for you pretty well also. Alright y'all, that's everything on these 4Runner tires. Hopefully you found this review helpful and informative. A good option if you just want to get some replacement tires for your lawn tractor. If the tread's worn out or if they're so dry rotted they don't hold air anymore, it's better just to buy the tire. If your rim's good, swap the tires out on the rim and you're good to go. So I do appreciate it. Thank y'all very much. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.